Guru Nanak Ji's birthday. Guru Nanak Ji was born on 15th of April 1469 in Rai, Boiki, Talwandi, now Nankana Sahib, Pakistan. While this is his official birth date, the annual celebration of his birthday, known as Guru Nanak Gurpurab, is celebrated on the full moon day of the lunar month of Katak, that is Kartika, which usually falls in October or November. Guru Nanak Ji is the founder of Sikhism and the first of the 10 Sikh Gurus. His birth is celebrated worldwide on Kartik Purnamashi, the full moon day, which falls on different dates each year in the month of October or November. Guru Purab celebrates the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the founder and first Guru of Sikhism. The festival, also known as Guru Nanak Jayanti, is a major Sikh festival observed to commemorate his birth anniversary and honor his teachings of equality, service, and devotion. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, born in 1469 in Talwandi, modern day Pakistan, was the first Sikh Guru and the founder of Sikhism. He championed a life of spirituality, equality, and social justice, advocating against discrimination and religious orthodoxy. Guru Nanak Ji's extensive travels across the Indian subcontinent and beyond helped spread his messages of unity, tolerance, and devotion, influencing millions globally. Guru Nanak Ji's life was extraordinary, marked by his extensive travels and teachings that transcended religious and social boundaries. Through his journeys, known as the Udasis, he spread the message of one universal God and the importance of seeing divinity within all people, regardless of caste or religion. His travels took him across South Asia, including regions in modern day India, Sri Lanka, Tibet, and even Mecca, where he challenged social norms and religious dogmas. Guru Nanak Ji's teachings, encapsulated in his hymns and compositions, emphasize key principles: oneness of God, belief in one formless, eternal, and all pervading God, Ik Onkar; equality, rejection of the caste system and promotion of equality among all people; selfless service, emphasis on community service, epitomized by the Langar community kitchen; Naam Simran, encouraging meditation and remembrance of God's name to connect with the divine. He formalized the three pillars of Sikhism. Naam Japna, meditation on God's name. Repeated remembrance of God's name to maintain spiritual growth. Kirat Karni, honest work, earning through honest labor and living with integrity. Vand Chakna, sharing with others, acts of charity and community service reflected in practices like Langar. His writings were compiled into the Adi Granth by Guru Arjan, later becoming the Guru Granth Sahib, after additions by Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th Sikh Guru. Guru Nanak Dev Ji's life and teachings have had a lasting impact on both spirituality and social justice. Here are key highlights of his contributions. He is the founder of Sikhism. Guru Nanak established Sikhism as a monotheistic faith centered around the belief in one formless and eternal God. Promoted equality. He rejected the caste system and emphasized the equality of all human beings, irrespective of their social or religious backgrounds. Guru Nanak Ji's vision of a just, compassionate world continues to inspire millions globally, fostering values of unity, service, and humility. Guru Nanak Jayanti is celebrated with a blend of devotion and community spirit, featuring key rituals and practices that honor Guru Nanak Ji's teachings of selfless service, equality, and unity. Key observances include Akhand Path, a continuous 48 hours recitation of the Guru Granth Sahib, the Sikh holy scripture reflecting the Guru's wisdom. Prabhat Fairies, early morning processions that involve singing hymns and prayers, creating a collective atmosphere of devotion. Langar, community kitchens that offer free meals to all, symbolizing equality and the Guru's message of service to humanity. Kirtan, the singing of hymns from the Guru Granth Sahib, fostering spiritual devotion and connection with God. Guru Nanak Gurpurab, also known as Guru Nanak Prakash Utsav, celebrates the birth of the first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak, one of the most celebrated and important Sikh Gurus and founder of Sikhism. Guru Nanak Ji is highly revered by the Sikh community. This is one of the most sacred festivals in Sikhism or Sikhi. This year, Guru Nanak Jayanti will be celebrated on Wednesday, November 5th, 2025, marking the 556th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji.